Hi guys, welcome back to another balloon tutorial. Today we're going to be twisting these balloon bunnies. You probably saw the balloon peeps, now you have these balloon bunnies, and you can see you can use a round for the bottom or heart for the bottom. Just depends on what you like, but we are going to start the tops the same way we did with our bunny peeps. The only addition is, or one of the additions we're going to make is we're going to add the arms on there holding a carrot, and also we're going to draw a different face. Let me go ahead and hold that one up for you so you can actually see it. There you go, study that just for a second, pause the video if you need to, but at this time I also want to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. I always love having you guys over, and anyway, let's talk about the balloons we're going to be using for today. We have it's going to be 4 balloons total. The white round is what I have for now, otherwise I'd use a heart, but it's a nice way to make your bunny and pretty darn fast. But let's look at the white balloon. You see that it has about a hand's grip on the end there, okay, and I did burp it a little bit so it's pretty soft. And then we have green and orange for our carrots. And so good news about these is that there isn't a lot of twisting going on with these, and even not much with this one either. But anyway, let's go ahead and do that. The way I do my videos, I bring the sound down and I'll do voiceover, so that way we can minimize the squeaking and maximize the teaching. Yes, that's right. Okay, let's go ahead and do that now. Let's bring the sound down. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start with the top there, and we're just doing about a 4 to 5 finger bubbles there, and I'm just matching them up just like we did in the other bunny video, so that way you have that. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and grab the round nozzle and pull it through there. There we go. That way we got them attached. And so we're going to do 2 bubbles. There we go. They're about 1 inch. There we go. And then we're going to go around, and we're going to come right back to the second bubble that we had twisted, and we'll twist the balloon into there, and that'll create ourselves a pinch twist when we do that. Okay, and go ahead and break the balloon off. There we go. And we're still going to use this, so don't let this go. Okay, there we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this as our arms. It's going to create our way to hold the carrot. So right now when I do that pinch twist, I'm pulling it pretty tight because I don't want it coming undone. Okay, so make sure you're pulling that tight, and let's go ahead and add the carrot to it. So I'm going to roll a small bubble, and that's going to be our carrot tip, and I'm going to go ahead and roll that into it. There we go. And that way I don't have to break anything off in this case, so it makes it pretty easy to do that. There we go. Okay, good. Alright, so the carrot's going to be about a hand's grip there, you see. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let that go here in just a moment. I'm going to measure out my arms. The arms are about, I would say 10 fingers. It'll make it all the way around, in this case, for the, the size we're using, just so you know. Okay, so right now I'm actually measuring it just so, get a good indicator about how long it should be. There we are. And when I jammed with this, you can see it's about, like I said, about 10 fingers. When I jam with this, you can do this in one continuous balloon, but it seemed to look, a little nicer by doing it this way and sliding it over the balloon. So anyway, okay, so what I'm going to do here, and I didn't do this, I waited to the end to do this, but I would go for 2 pinch twists in this section here. It's because you're going to be adding the green stem for the carrot, and I didn't do so this time. So I'm just measuring out again the carrot. Here we are, about a hand's grip. There we are. And make a couple of these. You'll see how easy they pretty much, they're pretty darn easy. So right now you see me right now, I'm just twisting the orange around there, so we get our our hands or our arms holding the carrot. But also you see I didn't do the second pinch twist yet. So you see right now I'm just going to roll it through onto the body, and it falls right in place. Perfect. There we go. Gotta love when a balloon plan comes together. So the last balloon I'm going to install now is just the stem, and then we'll be good to go. And the stem is going to be 3 loops, and they're about 2 to 3 fingers. I would say probably you can't go wrong either way. And the stem is going to be about 3 fingers. So again, I'm just starting with my loop here. There we are, and it's going to be 3 of them. So like I said, 2 to 3 fingers, you can't go wrong. And let's do 1 more. You can probably even get away with 2, I bet you, if you do this enough times. And then we have 3 fingers. There we go. Good. And now I'm just going to roll it in on, in this case, is left hand. Okay. So the other one is a single pinch twist, and then the hand where the stem is, I decided to do 2 pinch twists there. Like I said, you'll see at the end there, I had enough balloon left over, and that really shouldn't have been an issue. Like far as, you know, can I get a second pinch twist out of it? No problem, absolutely, you sure can. It was just hanging out there, and I was able to grab the nozzle. You can see that balloon it's pretty underinflated, so it worked out really nice. Okay, and we're just gonna go hide that away. And so stick around for the artwork. Thanks for watching so far. I really appreciate you being here. There it is. You can see we're good to go. Let's go over and go over the artwork we're gonna do for this. We're just gonna use the black Sharpie. You can use pink if you want to do like little cheeks and stuff, but you don't have to. You can just do the face again. Let me hold this one up here so you can see. It's pretty easy to do. There we go. All right, let's go over it real quick. All right, here we go. So we're gonna start with our little, let's make sure I'm not bumping the camera. Okay, just gonna do a little round nose in the middle there. There we are. Ta-da. Try to make sure I think before I might have accidentally put some stuff right under the light and it caused a glare, so pardon that, sorry about that. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and make our mouth there. There you go. And then we'll add our little whiskers on the side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See? Not bad. And then a little tooth. Speaking of rabbits, I just saw that Peter Rabbit movie. That's pretty cute, actually. It wasn't bad at all. I went into it, actually. You hate that when you go into movies sometimes, the bad attitude, and you just think like you're not gonna like it or whatever, and that wasn't the case. I ended up really liking it, so. Anyway, there are the eyes. Started talking about rabbits and stuff. I guess why not, huh? It's appropriate time of the year. There we go. And I'm gonna leave a little highlight because we are on a white balloon already. We don't have to draw in any highlight, which is nice. There you go. Now I wouldn't be surprised if you could just draw the little peep face from the other video if you saw it. Maybe, who knows. Okay. There we are. And then if you want to do little eyebrows. Ta-da. Oh, and as a bonus, if you want, you know, you could definitely do little pieces of the carrot, or the little indentations, the little grooves on the carrot. Let me show you on this one. This one, because this one was just a good example. Look at the carrot. See, I just did little orange stripes on it, and this gave the carrot some texture. You know, the appearance or some contour, I guess, kind of. But either way, we made it to the end. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoy this design. Hope you get to make it. If you do, comment down below. Rate this video. Give it a like. I appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. If you want to support again, patreon.com/jlomagic. I really appreciate it. And like I said, I'm probably going to do a playlist for this, you know, this design and the other, just so you can have them all in one place and you can get a search all over. But I do appreciate you going to my channel and checking out the other stuff that I have. So until next time, everybody. Well, I should have said a mouthful, didn't I? But anyway, until next time, guys. Happy twisting. Take care.